Brushes are a huge part of painting, and keeping your oil brushes clean and in good condition can be a bit of a challenge. So today we're going to take a look at some tips and tricks on how to clean and take care of your oil brushes so you can get more out of them. Start by removing the paint onto a paper towel and wipe the brush thoroughly. Once you've removed most of the paint, dip the brush into a jar of solvent, like white spirit or turpentine, and agitate it until you see the colour dissolve. After this, you'll be able to remove more of the paint residue onto the paper towel. Dip the brush into a second jar of clean solvent and agitate it. This second step is going to clean all of the paint from the body of the bristles. You might notice that you've still got some paint where the bristles meet the ferrule, but we'll fix that in our final cleaning step. For the last cleaning step, you'll need some safflower oil or vegetable oil. Agitate your brush again, and this will draw out any of the residue from the base of the bristles. Wipe the excess oil off the brush and give it a final wash in the clean solvent, and your brush should be as good as new. Every now and then you'll probably forget to clean your brushes, and the paint ends up drying in the bristles. Like this brush, the paint has fully hardened. To remove hardened paint from your brush bristles, it needs to be softened. Fill a container with apple cider vinegar. The vinegar has acetic acid in it and it breaks down the linseed oil binder in the paint. Sit the paintbrush in the vessel and leave it soak for 24 hours. When you remove your brush, your oil paint should have expanded a little bit and have a jelly-like consistency. Use a paper towel and some elbow grease to remove the oil paint from the brush. Depending on how long the paint has dried in the bristles, it might still be attached really firmly. You can use your fingernail to scrape the rest of the old paint off. Keep dipping the brush into the vinegar and wiping until all of the old paint has been removed. You can then use a clay spoolie brush tool or a nit comb to realign the bristles. Finally, give the brush a last clean in your solvent and then some oil and wipe it clean. Once you've cleaned your brush, it's a good idea to reset it so your bristles are in their correct shape as they dry. A great and inexpensive household item you can use for this is hair conditioner. Squeeze the conditioner over the bristles and shape the bristles into the correct shape. Conditioner works well because it actually rejuvenates your bristles a bit as well. We hope these tips will help you get the most out of your oil paint brushes. If you've got your own tip you'd like to share, leave us a comment and we'll check it out.